This video is going to take us through the Work Together 3-2 problem from Chapter 3. So it's just a continuation of the 3-1. We have the same month. We have 3 more transactions to journalize. We still have the same chart of accounts. Dirk's Copy Center is the name of the company. And the same accounts are in each of these in the account ledger. So we're still journalizing and we're just continuing on down to the next one. So the first transaction on April 5th, bought supplies on account from Supply Mart. So going back to our chart of accounts, notice we do have an accounts payable to Supply Mart. So basically we're buying some supplies now and we're promising to pay for them later. And just remember that in our notes there is an example of each transaction and the types, this different company, different products and so forth, but the examples I've highlighted for you here and how to journalize each one of them. So here's one that's very similar, bought supplies on account from somebody with the amount and the memorandum, and it shows us exactly right here what the transaction should look like in the journal. So you can always refer back to these notes for helpful hints and reminders. So we know in this particular transaction we have supplies as an asset, so that's going to increase, but we also have a liability that's going to increase on the credit side. So this is what the transaction will look like. The 5th is the date we put in. The account that's going to be debited goes first, so supplies are increased as a debit. M1 because it's a memorandum number 1. $600 is the amount of that debit. Accounts payable dash Supply Mart is our credit for $600 to show that we are going to have to pay that bill. The second one here, but the 7th, paid cash for insurance, $500, check number 2. So these are 2 assets, cash and prepaid insurance. Remember, if we forget what insurance is, go to that chart of accounts, and here it is, prepaid insurance. So on the 7th, we are having one increase and one decrease in an asset. So prepaid insurance is our debit, and we said it was check number 2, so C2, and the amount $500. And our credit is going to be cash and $500. Also just notice and remember that you only put the date once for the entire transaction, so the 7 goes together with that. We only put the document number in once as well, so we don't have to fill in every single line. Last transaction is the 9th, paid cash on account to Supply Mart $300. So up here we have a liability. We owe $600, but we're going to pay half of that. So our cash is going to decrease. So assets decrease on the credit side, which means we know we have to have a debit. So our account payable to the Supply Mart is going to be that debit. So we're going to put the date here, the 9th. We're going to put the accounts payable dash Supply Mart, and we have a C3 for check 3, and the amount was $300. And our credit is cash for $300 as well. So that is it for this particular Work Together 3-2 problem. Go ahead and finish this and then move on to the On Your Own.